How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to resize your videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using your very CapCut video editor but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to tap on CapCut like this. After this, CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to tap on the video that you would like to resize or the video that you would like to just work on. So after you tap on the video like this, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now after it takes you to an interface like this, in order to resize the video, what you have to do is you have to tap on the video like this, and then you can go to the option of the aspect ratio. After tapping on the option of the aspect ratio, if you'd like to edit the video for TikTok, you have to go to the option of TikTok like this, that is in the ratio of 9:16. And if you'd like to edit it for the YouTube Shorts, then you can see the interface here where you can just take it to the various kind of option for the YouTube Shorts. That may be for the option of the 3:4, the 4:3, or any of the option that you want, or that can also be kept in the same format like this. So this is the way on how you can edit your video for TikTok and YouTube Shorts on your very CapCut. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.